Good day everyone, I am Rastage Buscato, and for today's video, I'll be making a video reflection while answering the 4 questions in the lesson 1. When I am about to study in lesson 1, I felt anxious and at the same time very excited. Want to know why? It is because the content of lesson 1 in biochemistry is the same as the content before in organic chemistry. No wonder they connected. And yes, they are really connected to each other. Well, for me, this lesson ain't boring because of its content that are very interesting, and because of this, you cannot feel the boredom into this subject. I can say that it is absolutely effective because our instructor made her own way just to help us understand, and she conducted a virtual class to discuss the topics or the contents in these modules. She did her very best to help us understand, and she elaborated everything for us to understand easily. With her initiative to meet us virtually, just to explain and to elaborate to us what we need to learn, and to make this subject effective. I can compare my learnings from before and now that she's meeting us virtually. The topics that I encountered in lesson 1 that is very difficult for me to understand is the forming of Fischer structure and the Haworth structure, especially in labeling or putting the number of carbons that really fits to the elements or to the sugar. The topics that I encountered in lesson 1 that I find easy to understand is identifying if it is a Fischer or Haworth structure, knowing the differences of 2 structures. Literally, it is very easy to find out their differences. And of course, for me, it is easy to understand in lesson 1 is remembering the clue name of sugar in the number of atoms. Chirality is a property of primary importance because molecules such as carbohydrates, many amino acids, as well as many drugs are chiral. We need to learn about the left and right molecules or chirality because it plays a fundamental role in binding affinity and interactions. We also need to learn about chirality because of cells are mostly composed of chiral molecules. Small chiral molecules such as amino acids and sugars are the building block of larger molecules such as proteins and nucleic acids, which are also chiral. That's all my video for today, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.